Have you noticed something strange happening with AI video tools lately? Everyone is generating clips now, but most AI video tools still feel disconnected. You generate one shot in the tool and then another shot somewhere else, and then you manually stitch everything together, hoping it somehow feels cinematic. But the biggest problem is this. AI can generate visuals, but it still struggles to think like a director. And that is exactly where this new AI video agent tool, Loova Agents, feels completely different. Because Loova Agent is not just another AI video generator, it is more like an AI creative partner that actually helps you plan, structure, and direct an entire story from one single idea. So in this video, I'm going to test Loova Agents by creating a high-end AI project from scratch. We are going from one simple idea to full character design, and then to world building, then to cinematic scenes, and then finally a complete AI generated video. And honestly, this feels less like prompting AI and more like directing your own creative studio. Okay, so let's get started. So to start using Loova AI, simply just go to loova.ai or just simply click on the link in description and then just open this particular URL, which is loova.ai/AI-agent. And if you are at main landing page, simply just click on this AI agent option in here, and then you'll be on this page. And now you can simply just sign up and immediately start creating inside Loova Canvas. So this is Loova Canvas, and one thing that you'll notice in here that Loova Agent doesn't throw you into like a blank prompt box like most AI tools. Instead, it feels like entering into a creative studio, a creative workspace. And this is important because the entire philosophy behind Loova Agent is different. Most AI video tools, as we know, they just feel like this. You write a prompt, then it generates one clip, then hope it looks good, then repeat the process again and again. But Loova Agent approaches creativity like an actual director. It first tries to understand your idea, and then it just plans the world around it. So for this video, I want to create something deeply stylized. Let's say my idea is to create a high-end luxury perfume commercial set in a surreal desert of a liquid gold. So that's my idea. Okay, I can add a reference, or maybe I can provide frames, and even I can just like choose the resolution as well. I'll just leave everything to default, and then I'll just press enter. Now look closely, and you can clearly see the difference here. Instead of immediately generating random visuals, Loova Agent actually starts thinking through the project. It will understand our requirements. You can see it planning the product aesthetics, the environment, visual tone, lighting, progression, camera angles, atmosphere, emotional direction. Everything. You can see it is generating the image first, and then it will just like proceed to the next steps. It is not going to directly generate video at the first prompt as most of AI tools actually do. So what it will do first, it will create the reference images, the relevant images, those are called assets, and then you can just like customize those images before you actually create the final video. So there you go, you can see first it has created the different angles of the product, and you can see the gold was our like prime keyword. So it has just like created the different angles of this product in this gold color, and of course it looks luxury and high-end. And let's suppose if you already had a product image, you could provide that as well as a reference, and then it could use that product image, and then it could create like high quality shots of that product image first. You could also add your logos on this product as well. And right now you can see it is creating the luxury model reference, and this one was the bottle, or it is creating the model for this product. So there you go, this is the model that it has just created, and you can see it is actually acting as like a proper AI agent, and this is our like proper canvas. So this is just like any other AI image editing tool where you got like your whole canvas in front of you. This is not just like simple prompt box where you can just like give it a prompt and then it can just like present you output. You don't know the entire process, you don't know how it is thinking or the entire planning process. But here it is different. You got your entire canvas in front of you, and now you can see the step-by-step process. First it created the product image, then it created the model, and now it has created this creative direction. So this is basically the plan about each shot. So you can see this is the scene one, and the scene one will be like 15 seconds, and scene one has different shots. Each shot will be around 3 to 4 seconds, and in fact 5 seconds as well, the final shot. You can see it has generated the keyframe for this shot, and you can see from this keyframe it has generated this frame exactly as we described. So the video will look much more like this. So this is the model, this is the product, and this is the first key shot. So our video will be around it. So before generating the video, we already have the preview of that video, how exactly the video will look like. And now next it is going to use Seedance 2.0, which is one of the best AI model out there right now for generating videos. So we can just like generate the high quality. We can just like use this generate with quality mode, and we can just like click on that, and now you can see now it is going to generate video using Seedance 2.0. So as you can see the difference, you can see we just gave it this prompt, which was a high-end luxury perfume commercial set in a surreal desert of liquid gold. You can see the liquid gold and everything in background, and also the overall look and feel of this ad is luxury luxury. So you can see first it created the product, then model, then it created the first keyframe, and now it is going to generate the video. So this already makes a huge difference. This already sets this tool apart from most AI video tools out there. And because everything is connected through the same workflow, the outputs feel much more coherent. And this is where things get more interesting. I can guide this tool as a director. I can jump in at any stage as a director and ask it to maybe customize the look of this product, maybe change the outfit of this model, or maybe completely change the model. I don't like the look of this model maybe, and maybe choose a completely different model, change the ethnicity, change the hair color, or anything that you want to change, or maybe change the creative direction. So before the final video is generated, you got the complete control over what exactly do you want to change in this ad. So instead of rewriting the prompts from scratch, I can simply just say something like make the scene more high fashion. This particular scene, I can ask it to maybe add some luxury, like maybe sci-fi style buildings in background, or maybe completely shift the entire style. And I can ask it to turn this entire concept into dark, gritty AI anime sequence. And Loova will adopt the entire creative direction, and the perfume commercial project transforms into a stylized anime world with hand-drawn textures and like neon highlights. And there you go, our video is ready. And overall, let me just play it. As expected, the visual quality is very consistent, very luxury, just as we expected. Amazing. This looks mind-blowing. So we already expected what sort of results we are going to get because we already had these reference images, and you can see the model is consistent as well, the camera angles and the multiple shots that it actually explained in this creative direction. So everything is exactly as we expected in this video. And honestly, if you just have a look, the entire process of this video generation feels less like operating a software and more like brainstorming with a creative team. This is probably the first AI workflow that I have tested where AI genuinely feels like it understands narrative and stylistic progression. Now let's just push this even further, because Loova Agent is not only for cinematic storytelling. You can also transform the same project into premium product ads, music videos, social media campaigns, professional anime edits, cinematic trailers, branded content. So let me just show you something really interesting now. So I'm going to take these exact aesthetics and I'm just going to ask Loova Agent to turn this into a high octane social media campaign, and I'll just press enter. And now Loova Agent, because it understands the context, so this is my prompt, and as you can see, Loova Agent already understands the context. It already knows everything about this campaign. So now using the core brand identity, it is going to create like high octane social media campaign that can be like more like attention grabbing, and basically can create a scroll stopping video for us. So again, first it has just created this creative direction, and now it is going to generate images for this new video. So because video is going to be about the same product, but not sure if it is going to use the same model as well and same settings as well, but let's just see how it will create a new sort of like video ad for us that we can run on social media. And there you go, you can see the video is already very punchy in a social media style. It is not like that standard, the previous version of the video. It is more punchy, there are more cuts, the product is moving, the camera is moving very fast, and this is like a proper social media, like the scroll stopping sort of video. You can see the camera moves in, then the camera pans, then you can see this is like the model shown in that angle with fast music. So let me just play it again just to show you how exactly it looks like. There you go, perfect. The music is more engaging now, it is more attractive now, and you can see the last scene where it shows like that woman like putting her hand like aiming towards the product. So perfect. I mean, it has basically adopted this new style based on our new prompt, because this video had to be used as like a social media creative to like make it more like a scroll stopping. So it exactly did what we asked it to do. So the shots became more punchy, the pacing changed, and the composition becomes more advertisement focused. And this is where I think the Loova Agent becomes really powerful, because it is not just generating videos, it is building reusable creative worlds. One concept can evolve into an anime film, a product commercial, a cinematic trailer, a music video, a social media campaign, and everything happens inside one connected workspace. Now another thing I really like is how fast the iteration process feels. Normally with AI video tools, you constantly jump between ChatGPT, image generation, then video generation, and then editing. But here the agent handles most of the workflow inside the same environment. So instead of micromanaging every generation manually, you focus on directing the outcome. And honestly, I think that is the bigger shift happening in AI right now. The future is which AI system helps creators actually build complete projects faster. And that's exactly the direction that Loova Agents is moving forward. So if you want to try Loova Agents yourself, I have added the link in description. Just go ahead, click on that, and do let me know in the comment section what you think about Loova Agent. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.